She's seated to give us, she's wanting to share a few thoughts.
Good evening, everyone. Probably everybody is tired since every morning sitting here. I won't take much of time. Let me tell you what I do. Actually, basically, I've opted a career as a regulatory expert. And when I used to go to all ministries and all departments to help my clients, I used to face a lot of challenges. Challenges means there are a lot of delays and lethargies and lot of harassments for my clients. That's why they used to come to me, and I used to take my bureaucrats' family help and used to help them. And since I'm groomed with my Babaji in the childhood, so I have been given a lot of human values. So I used to interact not by controlling them and not by giving a bulldoze, but by using our human values way of converting them into a good human being and get our work done. But when our Prime Minister became Narendra Modi ji has come, then I was given an assignment by UK Publishing House for doing a Prime Minister coffee table book, wherein we have covered all his journey, what as a Chief Minister or as a Prime Minister, and what all social reforms he wants to bring. Why there are very everybody thinks demonetization हो गया, लूट गया, भारत बर्बाद हो गया, पैसा नहीं है, काम नहीं है, सब कुछ everybody talks all this, but my opinion is totally different. Modi ji has opted a social reform than economic reform because he wants to correct the child first. अगर एक बर्तन में सब कुछ काला ही है, आप उसमें जितना भी दूध डाल दो वो भी काला ही हो जाएगा. तो he wanted to, हमारे घर में अगर बच्चा है, if he has some disease and they are already spoiled, so we will like to correct them first, give them a capability, then bring an economic reform. So whatever social reforms he's bringing, he is actually doing the cleaning process, making our country capable first, so that when we are entering into abundance, we are capable to handle that economic reform. We are not going into bubble burst, whatever happens in the सारे बबल बस्ट जब 2008 में हुआ था, इंडिया वॉज प्रोटेक्टेड बिकॉज वी आर स्टिल हैविंग दोज वैल्यूज. So he is doing that value system, re-establishing the values so that we can handle that economic reform through all these AI technologies, all those fintech technologies. And recently I've been appointed as a partner with Ministry of Education Department, Resource Development, as an incubator to help all those engineering students. Their concepts are there on the table, लेकिन कोई उनको help करने वाला नहीं है. So I have taken a vow and mission to take up all social reform and all projects. It should not be only in the CII, SHI, FICCI, just a very smart report and nothing till there is an end. So I have given a vision. Report नहीं रहेगी, हम उसको project में ले जाएंगे. We'll convert all our pan India children. We'll give them money in their house. बिकॉज एक बारी मेरे को इंसिडेंट आया, एक लड़की ने मुझे आके ये बोला कि उसके भाई हिज ब्रदर इज़ बीन सेलेक्टेड एज ए फर्स्ट इनोवेशन कॉन्सेप्ट एंड वी आर वर्किंग ऑन द चाइल्ड टू गिव हिम मनी बिकॉज हिज कॉन्सेप्ट इज सेलेक्टेड एट कैनेडा. When I was interacting with that girl, she was crying. What happened? Why are you crying? कहते मेरे को अपनी ज्वेलरी बेचकर I used to give all those books and things to so that my brother can work on that concept to convert into that pilot project, and now today he is selected. So I could think ऐसे हज़ारों families ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे अपने उस बच्चे को एक एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने के लिए कुछ भी फीस देने के लिए देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस एंड लॉट ऑफ हिडन पेन इज देयर. एंड वंस द रिपोर्ट इज देयर, नोबडी हेल्प द चिल्ड्रन. इट्स देयर. FICCI, CIA, SHM, and even at the families, we do the conference, and it's only remains till the report. It's my humble prayer to everyone who's sitting here, please come forward. We need to act now. Don't think कि ये कर लेगा तो वो कर लेगा तो वो कर लेगा तो वो कर लेगा. We have to do it. It start from here. There's a very small 1 second anecdote. One of the child was walking on the seashore and वहाँ से मछलियाँ आ रही थी, वो मछलियाँ फेंकता जा रहा था. दूर से एक स्वामी जी उसको देख रहे हैं, बेटा तुम ये क्या कर रहे हो, मछलियाँ क्यों फेंक रहे हो समुद्र में इतना, इससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ जाएगा, तुम कितनी मछली बचा लोगे. Why you saving all those fishes? फिशिंग वहाँ से आ रही है, आप उसमें डालते जा रहे हो. उसके हाथ में जो एक फिश थी, उसने बोला इसको तो फ़र्क पड़ता है.
Thank you so much.